everyone, welcome to my channel today. So you saw earlier I was in the chicken crab that got some tray, a bed of seafood. It looks very delicious with Cajun sauce and some starter. So let's open up and see what they are. So this is Cajun fries, ooh, with the catfish. Let's open up. And this is a tray, the main course tray with 2 lobster. Wow, the lobster looks huge. So this is a Cajun style where they give you a bed of a Cajun sauce. This is a slow crab with shrimps, broccoli, and sausage. We order all Cajun. They also have Louisiana, butter, garlic, and cilantro lime. So I like Cajun, so that's why I picked Cajun of everything. And even to go, they give you a cape too. So let me try open up. Oh, it's right here. You break apart. There you go. You put on your net and tied it. Hey, do you think about it as a baby apron? Look at this. In case you drop food, it dropped the little hole here, little back here. So let's try it out. And they give you utensil as well, all the stuff, which is nice, and give you gloves. Amazing. I don't have to get my own gloves. Because I usually don't like eating outside for all this because it's gonna be like so messy when I eat it. With the glove, it helps a lot. Look at this, look at this. So it looks like the starter, by looking at it, the fish is too little. Wasn't expected, we're expecting a little bit more. But let's try out the Cajun fries. Well, it's a little bit soggy. It's our fault because we ordered takeout, but if you eat it there, it should be good. Oh, not too salty. The Cajun fries is, if you know the Cajun styles have some pepper, stuff like that, it's very good. And on top of it. So let me try a little bit fish here. It's a catfish. Oh, the fish is good. You don't taste much fish flavor, but again, it's become soggy because it's taken out. All the steam moist is there. And besides the lobster, what we have, this is what we have. Let's move out the lobster. We have sausage and all the tray. This tray is come with automatic come with corn and potato. We add on like broccoli, sausage, mussels. Oh, it's right here. The clams right here. Oh, that's the favorite clam I like. I think it's the Vietnamese clam. I don't even know what's the name, but this is the clam I like. Let's try it out. The Cajun sauce is so good. Again, we order, they have 4 levels. You can order from regular, a little bit spice, up to very spicy. I always love the Cajun styles. I don't know how to describe what they put there, but the herbs and stuff like that, it's just so good, the Cajun. And it's so fresh too. Is there more sauce on it? Oh. It's nice and warm, even though it took us like 30 minutes drive back and forth. Probably more than 30 minutes, but still good. And we have slow crab here, some shrimp, and mussel here, corn, broccoli, and the sauce is very good. I would suggest this is a good place to visit too. It's very cozy style. I like it, and they have all you can eat too. By the way, so I might go back for all you can eat and try it out. I need some sauce. Cajun sauce. The shrimp is fresh too, crunchy. I love it. So here's the noodle. It's a garlic noodle, nothing special. I'm gonna try a little bit. I feel like I'm gonna use hand all day. I cannot use whole utensil anymore. Yeah, it's a plain regular lo mein kind of stuff, Asian style, but this is a flat noodle with some garlic, some salty sauce. It tastes good, not too spicy, not too salty. I love the taste. I would highly recommend. I think there's a lot of franchise around, so if you see it, go check it out, and you're not gonna be sorry for this. It just tastes so good. I'm loving this, and they have a lot of potato too. Oh, look at this, so many potato. Woohoo! Oh, look at this corn. Looks so good. It's just so good. The Cajun have lime, lemon. It has garlic. It's just so good, the Cajun sauce. good as that butter too. It's so good. I eat along some rice, that homemade rice. Haven't tasted a coin with so many flavor. Normally I just grill the coin with the coin taste. Now with Cajun sauce, just so good. Oh, mussel. Let me try out a sausage with Cajun sauce. It's good sausage. Not salty. Very smoky. It's smoky sausage. Loving it. Wow. It's a good dinner night today. Seafood festival night. Alright, let me try the potato. Big giant potato. Cajun sauce is so good. I think there's a way to eat it. I just don't remember how to eat it correctly. But I have my own tools. The sauce is so good. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. So sweet, the snow crab. Imagine you order king crab, it's even better. Yeah, I didn't order king crab today. I just got the slow crab. Eee. Oh, look at this. Let me see the Cajun sauce. Dip some Cajun sauce. Oh, big chunk of meat. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Cajun sauce. I'm kind of using this tool as a cutter. It's supposed to be a scraper. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Woohoo! Yeah, I would highly recommend to try it out if it's one nearby you. It's just so good. It's not too salty, and then the Cajun sauce is just so good, so buttery taste, garlicky taste, lemon taste. Oh, just so good. Look at the shrimp. They also cut the intestine for you already too. So the shelf is open. It's very good. I feel like the the Cajun sauce has some satay flavor. It's just so good. So let me try the lobster, the leg. Is that breaking apart already? Oh, I think there's some crack already. Nope, it's not cracking. Luckily, I have the tools, or I cannot eat that tonight. My own cracking tools. almost a whole piece. Some sauce, Cajun sauce. Mmm. Let me try the big lobster tail. Oh, oh. I like my favorite personal tools. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, lobster meat. Dipping the sauce. Cajun sauce. Ooh. Ooh. Whole lobster. It's so good. Ooh. Mmm. So I'm gonna enjoy eating all this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you the next video.